Question says the velocity of a particle is v is equal to v naught plus gt plus ft square. Its position at x equal to 0 is t at t equal to 0 is x equal to 0. Then its displacement after time t equal to 1 is. So in questions like this, what we do is, we know that v is equal to dx upon dt. So therefore x now will be equal to integration of v dt. So we have v to be given to us as v naught plus gt plus ft square. Now integrating this term from x equal to 0 to x, and time is given to us as time equal to 0 to displacement after time t equal to 1, that is t equal to 0 to t equal to 1. We differentiate this equation, that is this dx is equal to v naught plus gt plus ft square into dt. So after integration we have x is equal to v naught t plus gt square by 2 plus ft cube by 3. Now putting the values at that is t equal to 1 initially and t equal to 0 finally, we get x's value to be equal to v naught plus g by 2 plus f upon 3.